Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English for Assamese students. Today I will explain the novel The Color Purple by Alice Walker in a very simple way. So, first let us know about the story. The Color Purple is the story of a poor black woman named Celie. She lives a very difficult life and faces a lot of suffering from her father and later from her husband. She cannot speak freely to anyone, so she writes letters to God. Turning point. Her life begins to change when she meets Shauk Avery. Shauk is a confident and strong woman and she helps Celie understand her own value. Slowly, Celie starts believing in herself. This novel teaches us three important things. Never lose your self respect. You can find your voice even after suffering. Every person deserves love and freedom. So, in the conclusion, we can say that The Color Purple is not just a story of pain, it is a journey from silence to strength. Now, let us discuss two important questions. One is analyze the significance of female friendship in the novel. Female solidarity is the primary engine of survival. Shag, a very deliberated woman, teaches Celie about self-love and economic independence. Another woman character, Sophia, she teaches Celie how to say no is a powerful word. Niti, her sister, helps Celie look beyond her rural Georgia. Also, she provides Celie with a sense of history and a connection to a broader Black identity through her letters to Celie. Discuss the narrative technique used in the novel. So, the distinctive features of this novel is epistolary form, meaning that the story is told through letters. Celie writes letters first to God and then to her sister Niti. Another narrative technique used in this novel is the simple language and dialect. Moreover, the shift from letters to God to letters to Niti also symbolizes Celie's growth and changing understanding of the world. So that's all for today. If you like this explanation, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel English for Assamese students. Thank you.